Hi, it's me back with another video. So this is my cat, Bubba. Say hi. Hi, I'm Bubba Livio, and I'm going to attempt to solve the Rubik's Cube. Let's see. Let me remember the pattern for a second. Okay, so let's solve this thing. It's hard. Oh yeah. I need to look at something for 1 second. She said she'll have to look at something for 1 sec. Oh, there she goes. She's trying to solve it. Okay. Bubble, solve it. Okay, yeah, she's doing good. Oh, she pulled out her human hand and now she's trying to solve it. She pulled out her human hand and is trying to solve it now. She pulled out her human hand. She's trying to solve it now. Yep, she got it. And she's using her human hand again to do it. And she's almost there. She's almost there. And she got it! Yeah, let's go, Babos! You got it! Yep, and that's it. And here's my TV. Boom. And I got some strawberries. Buy them in case you want them. A bunch of National Geographic books. Cool. Another one. And a giant robot. Sponsors. Just kidding. Okay, now a couple of juice randomly there. Okay. Ew. Dead moths in there. Okay, and look at all that on a Lego set. That's my Lego set. And the Sonic Pinata, because my birthday was like back on May 27th. Molapian. Molapian. Green. And pink. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Here's my little cough. I mean, not my cough. No, my paper. I meant to say. That's my TV. Once again, my little piano. And another cup of juice. And finally, my cat. My Rubik's Cube. And my 2x2. And I'm not showing you the front. I'm just showing you the glittery part. You can see that I'm blocking that. Okay, so yeah, that's my mom's phone. I'm blocking the other part because I don't want people to see them. And my tiny 3x3. It's very tiny. Watch, if I drop it, you can. Oh, sorry. You can't even see it in case I zoom in a little bit. Yeah. There, that's my little cube. So here's my cube. Oops. Boom. Boom. So, not showing that. Here's my little picture. Oops. Gotta grab my remote. yeah, that's my TV, and that's pretty much it. Goodbye! Goodbye! Bye, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.